Alright, so in this video what we're going to do is look at the shortcut for aligning text to the right. So you can see in my example here, I could easily align this paragraph to the right by just simply choosing the Align Right button on the paragraph group, and it would then align the paragraph to the actual right. However, the most effective way to be able to do your formatting in Microsoft Word is in fact to use your shortcuts. So the easiest way to align a paragraph or a word to the right is to use the shortcut Control R, and what that will do is align it to the right, as you can see on the screen. Now to align it back to the left, we just go Control L. Now here's the cool part. If you go Control R and you want to align it back, we can actually just hit it a second time and it will align back to the left as well. So it does actually toggle it through. So you actually have two ways to align it back to the left. So first you toggle it to the right, and you can either go Control L, which takes it back to the left, or just press the Control R for a second time. Alright, so that's aligning text to the left and right. That is Control L for left and Control R for right.